if you need to replace or remove this CVVT sensor intake cam 2.4 engine. I do use a small bit T25, and I do have these adjustable pliers, and that's because there is no space because of the engine mount. So just twist it to break it loose. Be sure not to drop it because it's so easy to drop in there. Same for the little screw here. You may want to pay attention. You do want to drop this in there. It's better not to over tighten this thing in there. And then because there is a seal, you want to force a little bit, just wiggle like this. Mine comes out very easily, and that's because this seal here, I did put full synthetic silicone grease on it. So never put any kind of petroleum grease on these seals. Just smear it a little bit and it goes in much easier. Otherwise, I found that I could not push it back in place unless I would put some grease on it. This is the sensor. It does have 2 brushes. I did measure. I think, you see, mines are now maybe over maybe 6 millimeter or 7 millimeters, and I think new they look like this. So there is quite a bit of wear on them. It's not a lot of miles on the car, maybe 30,000 miles. So we want to pay attention when these go maybe down to 3-4 millimeters. It's time to replace them, otherwise you're going to get a check engine and malfunctioning. And these go against it's just the brushes contact surface on the CVT hub that spins with the engine. And this is the sensor. I don't have a part number for it. It doesn't say anything in there. Just check with the dealership.